Los Angeles County reported no additional coronavirus-related deaths on Sunday, May 2nd, welcome news for officials who've seen increasing evidence in recent weeks that the pandemic is on the wane. The county also reported 313 new cases of COVID-19. Officials cautioned that those low numbers, though in step with recent downward trends, likely reflect reporting delays over the weekend during scaled-back record-keeping. According to state figures, the number of coronavirus patients in county hospitals dropped from 410 on Saturday to 390, with 87 people in intensive care, up from 86 the previous day. Sunday's figures brought the county's totals to 233, 772 cases and 915 fatalities since the pandemic began, according to the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health. As of Saturday, the county's test positivity rate was at the lowest level of the pandemic at 0.6%. The county has further eased its COVID-19 health restrictions, allowing indoor playgrounds and arcades to reopen at limited capacity, while lifting restrictions on operating hours for bars, breweries and wineries. Indoor arcades and playgrounds, such as laser tag businesses, ball pits or bounce centers, are restricted to 25% of capacity, along with other mandated safety modifications. Bars, which are currently allowed to operate outdoors only, had been restricted to operating hours of 11:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., but those restrictions are now lifted. On Monday, playgrounds at all Los Angeles Unified Elementary Schools and early education centers will reopen. District personnel will use electrostatic misters and approved disinfectant to regularly sanitize playground equipment, the same procedure used to clean frequently touched surfaces in a school, according to Superintendent Austin Buhner. Only one group of students will be allowed to use the playground at a time, and students will be encouraged to wash their hands after using the equipment. The easing of restrictions comes amid continued concern about the slowing pace of vaccinations in the county. County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer again stressed the urgency for people to get inoculated, while also continuing to adhere to other health guidelines to prevent a resurgence of the virus locally. Getting vaccinated in LA County is easier and more accessible than ever before, and we encourage everyone waiting to get vaccinated to take advantage of the opportunity as soon as possible, Ferrer said. There continues to be much higher risk of COVID-19 transmission among unvaccinated people. As more LA County residents and workers are vaccinated, the risk of transmission of variants is significantly reduced, and we get back to the many activities that we loved to do before the pandemic. The health department also reported a continuing reduction in the number of cases in the homeless community on Saturday.